Okay, so this is the 7th edition of DBTest. The previous instance was in 2013, and since we thought this was such a good idea to have this workshop, we resurrected it from the dead. We got quite a good number of submissions, 15 submissions, of which 8 we accepted. The proceedings are already online. As you can see, we have these nice t-shirts, and you can grab one yourself if you want. We have some more in the back. We also have stickers. And thanks to our sponsors, this will also be recorded. So also for all of the speakers, if you are interested, or let's say if you're not interested to be recorded, please let us know, because then we're going to stop the recording. Otherwise, you can later on have, I guess, the video of your presentation. And I'm not sure if we might be able to even put it online on the website later. With that, let me quickly just summarize the workshop and who helped. And actually, let me introduce my co-chair, Alexander Böhm, who helped all the way along the way. And we also have Carsten here, who helped with the organization and in the steering committee. And we had a final number in the program committee who helped us review all the papers. So big thanks to them. And actually they did all do their reviews in time, which is not always the case. So this was a very good experience. Just a quick overview of the program. We're just going to have, so I'm not going to show all the detailed presentations now. In the interest of time, we're going to start with core DBMS testing. Then we're going to have a session on cloud and big data testing and benchmarking. We'll have sponsor talks, or actually one sponsor talk. Then a keynote. I'm going to say a bit more about that later. Testing on modern hardware and new scenarios before we're going to close. And actually, there is a poster session in the afternoon. This is unfortunately slightly inconveniently located. But for those of you who are still around, you can meet our presenters there if you're not going to catch them in the lunch and chat with them there. So for the keynote, which we're going to have right after the coffee break, we're lucky to have Manasi Yoshi. She's the director of software engineering at Google, and she's going to tell us about how Google does testing for machine learning and how to keep their machine learning setup operational in product and keep up the productivity. And with that, before we start with the actual session, I want to also thank our sponsors. We have Snowflake, Undo, and SAP sponsor this workshop. And so because of them, you can actually have these nice t-shirts and you can have the stickers, and we're going to be recording this session. And actually, that's it. So with that, we're going to start the first session. Thank you, and I'm handing over.